Hi there, thank you so much for joining. Hi there, thank you so much for joining. Alright, so this is the dashboard that has been integrated for any kind of business or any kind of entity. If you wanted to see our sales with respect to sales unit, that how many sales has been done in any specific month or any specific year, we can use this dashboard. That how many sales units have been sold out, what was the total sales, what was the total profit we got, and what was the total profit margin, and what was the top segment that we have sold in. You can either type in any segment, you can either type in any market, you can either type in any kind of city. And what was our top product? I have introduced some random imaginary products for now for this dashboard, but we can introduce any specific data for that, and that automatically changes with respect to the year changes. Currently you can see we have selected 2023 and we have these months here, so we can also see the complete year trend of the sales. Alright, we can see the geographical background where the actual sales was happened. If you are selling in any specific market that comes under a country, it will only show the country. If you're working or selling something in within the city, it will automatically gives you the city's view. Then we can see a product wise sale, which product was highest sold, and we can also say the segment wise sales, which segment we have sold more, and we can see the country wise contribution. We can also see the product wise sales and profit, basically a profit, that how much profit we have got on what product. And this everything is interactive. For example, if I wanted to see the January only 2023, I just need to select January 23, and my data will be sold, will be changed, like 193 units have been sold, and we have got a profit of 7.72 K, which is like 11.6 percentage. And this is the rest of the data. If you want to see the February, we can see a different product in different segment and different number of units sold. Everything changes. We can see a March, we can see a different numbers, everything is here. For example, if you wanted to see complete year, just go there, right click, and it's already there, by the way. If any particular selected you want to see 2 months, just press a control key and select those months. If you want to unselect all, just right click and clear selection, and complete year will be shown. If you want to go to the 2022, you can see a 2022 data, something like this. We have only like 3 months 4 months data there, so that's why it only shows you the data. So that is how you will be populating your interactive dashboard. Once you download the best practice, you will be getting this Power BI.pbix file, and it will be straight away opening into the Power BI desktop app. Or if you have a service account, you can even launch into your service account as well if you have a paid account. The main question is how your data will be integrated into that. That question comes in with the file that we have made with respect to this data, and that is this file, which is named as financial sample, which is like exactly the similar kind of a data here. You can see this. Okay, now the question is how you will be transforming your data into this. Is what you need to do is when you download the best practice, you will be getting this file and the Excel file. Okay, this both file you will be getting. You just need to open the Excel file and save into your any kind of a destination. For example, I'm putting this file into my destination for like desktop, and I'm putting this as sales sample 1. Okay, and what I'm going to do next is I'm going to my Power BI file. I'll need to open this, and I need to go to the format, I need to go to the home, transform data, and under transform data you need to go to data source setting, and for this data source setting you need to go to change source. Currently you will always be having this particular location, because that is my computer location, so you have to change that particular source. And you straight away, just like this, I'm putting my file into a desktop. You can place any particular location there. You just need to copy that file, and here you go. Once I click that, I will be changing the location of my computer's current desktop file. You can do at any particular location. Just press OK and close it. Alright, and ask you the change to apply the changes. Just press the application, and this will automatically be transforming into your location. Next part is you just need to go to the Excel file, and you delete everything apart from the first row, which was the any one data. Just press everything, select anything, and delete it. Alright, and now you can straight away put your data. For example, if you're selling something to the government and your country is Canada, you are putting and selling an iPad, you are selling one unit for like 402 units, and the cost price, sales price, even the manufacturing or your buyer, your buying power is like buying product is like $402, and your sales price that you want to sell is like $500. So you can see your gross sales comes up. If that are 2 units, we just need to change the units there, and the cost will automatically be fetches up, because this minus this will automatically give you this. You will getting a profit, and that you can just change the data. For example, today I'm making the purchase for 5/5/2025-24, and that automatically gives you. Not, you don't need to change these three columns. Just need to put the data here. Do not change them. Okay. All right, and then go to the next part. For example, we are selling something to the market, and we are selling into USA, and we are selling like iPad again, and that are 3 units. And sorry, I will be formatting this all thing, no worries. By the way, just format this like just like this, so that the formatting will be getting finer. And the iPad costs us 402, sale price is 550, for example, just for the sake of changes. And I want to sell this like on 4/5/2024, and it takes April, and this will automatically get. Let's put some more data. For example, we are selling into, if we're exporting something, okay, and we're exporting into, for example, India, and we are selling like iPhone, and we are exporting 10 units, and that cost each one like 200, and sale price like 250. Everything else is automatically, just need to put in the dates, and we are putting some random dates here. Alright, one more data. For example, we are also again exporting something, for example, to Pakistan, and we are selling some laptops, and that was like 14, and this was just some random data here. Sale price definitely would be like higher, and the date was like 8/2/2023 for now. And see, you have like 3 data. You just need to save it and go to your Power BI file again, because we have changed the location. Just press a refresher. Once you do a refresher, you see everything has now been changed to your specific data. Currently we are selecting 2023. Just remove this. We have 4 entries overall. If we select 2023, we have only 1 entry, because we have just made 1 entry 2023 for Pakistan. And if you wanted to see the 2024 data, we can see like 3, and that was the product that you have sold maximum. If you talk about which country you have sold in, you can see the India, Pakistan, Canada coming up there. And if you wanted to see the 2023, I can see the Pakistan as well here. If you just select everything, just go there and clear selection, you will see everything with respect to your data in here. So that is a perfect dashboard to manage your sales unit, getting a profit margin, which segment you are selling maximum, which product you are selling, and that will absolutely run smooth on your file. Now if you have a lot of data, you just need to copy and paste the data exactly just like this. If you have like thousands number of data, you are controlling like 5 years, 6 years, or you're having like 15 products, 15 countries, anything, it will automatically accommodating the changes as per this scenarios changes. You can also change the format. If you don't like this color format, you can always change the format. You need to go to the view, and you can select any particular format. For example, I wanted to use this. You can see this, but it changes like this. You can still use this, or you can any specific particular theme that you would like to. Currently it is like this. So download the best practice now and order your details, and that will be your file for Power BI and Excel, and you can crash your sales exactly with the high skyrocketing. Thank you so much for the downloading the best practice.